What's going on, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the clip. Welcome to the channel. This is Sawyer Custom Speed. I am Randy Sawyer. We got a ride video from the practice track in the backyard. We got Tony and Shane ripping around on the YFZ 450s, getting some good laps. I was running around like a madman trying to get all kinds of good angles for you guys. So make sure you sit down and do this whole 2-minute video. It really helps out the channel a lot. You guys watch as much as you possibly can. If you haven't yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out any future content. We've got build videos, ride videos, motocross videos. Yes, we race over at Dade City Motocross. Tony is right now the quad champion for the series. If you haven't hit that like button yet, go ahead and reach down and hit that like button. It helps the video get out to more and more people. We're trying to hit 4,000 watch hours. The more people we can get these videos out to, the more helpful it is to the channel. Really appreciate all the interactions that you guys give. If you really want, go ahead and throw some comments down in there. Give a little emote to say that you've been here and you watched it. Really appreciate the effort we put into these videos. You guys put a lot of time into riding and practicing to get your skills to where they're at. These tracks take a lot of work to keep them in decent shape. The editing and everything in these videos is time consuming as can get. Music and everything is me, guitars, bass, and drum. Alright, with only a few more seconds left of the video, I really appreciate those of you that stayed tuned in, watching these guys rip around, having fun, practicing for the race that's coming up. Once again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know I say it a lot, but 80+% aren't subscribed, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, throw a comment down there and there. Have a great one.